Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to go ahead and make something quick and simple with whatever I have in the pantry and the fridge already. So I decided to make this quick pineapple chicken with white rice and broccoli. So if you guys are eager to learn how to make this simple but delicious recipe, let's go ahead and hop right into it. So for today's recipe, we're going to be using some peppers and onions and scallions or shallots. So I'm using red, yellow, and orange because I like the colors. Onion, garlic. I'm using some chicken breast because that's all I have. But you can always use any part of the chicken that you wish. You're going to need pineapple juice, some honey, soy sauce, Worcestershire or the W sauce, and sesame oil. Go ahead and do a mise en place. So we're going to start off with our vegetables. You okay? Then let's go ahead and cut the pepper. Now you want the pepper to cut it in a square like. So you want to cut off all those pieces off of your pepper. And then what you want to do is just cut it. And then just cut it into like squares like that. So let's just go ahead and keep doing that. And we're going to keep doing that for all of our peppers and onions. So just go ahead and keep doing the same thing for each of them. All our veggies are cut up. Everything is done. Garlic, onions, peppers. As you can see, the onions are in the same size of everything for the most part, so you want to keep them all pretty much the same size. So let's work on the chicken. Okay, so our chicken is nicely washed and cleaned, so let's go ahead and get to seasoning the chicken. So for this, it's going to be pretty simple. You don't want to over season it because there's going to be soy sauce and so forth in this. So we're going to add about a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of soy sauce to that. Now we're going to add our pineapple juice, a whole can, some Worcestershire sauce, a few splashes of that, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and for seasonings I'm using this: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and some Chinese seasoning, and 5 spice powder. Alright, so you want your chicken to marinate in that mixture for about 30 minutes if you are going to be cooking immediately, overnight if you prefer to do it like the next day or so, but just let it get at least 30 minutes of marination. Like someone once told me, if you have seasoning hands, do it right 30 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and start cooking it up. Added some avocado oil to a pan. Alright guys, so we want to go ahead and cook up our chicken. You want to save the juice. So I added the chicken without the juice because you want to make sure you fry up your chicken to start getting some color on it. So we're going to fry this before adding our veggies, and then we'll add the juice back to this. Alright, so after your chicken has sauteed down for quite a few minutes, it's not going to get the color that you typically are used to, which is totally fine. Once you add the juice into it, it's going to give it like a nice little brownish, orangish kind of color. But if you want it to be a lot darker, you sear your chicken. This is chicken breast, so that's why I didn't sear it off, because eventually chicken breast dries out really, really quickly. So I went ahead and added back my peppers. I added the marinade that we marinated the chicken with, and I'm gonna let this simmer down and then plate it up. Alright, so here we have it. After a few minutes, I went ahead and I took it out, plated up with some white rice and broccoli. As you can see, roasted broccoli. This is pretty simple. We just toss it in garlic, black pepper, and salt. That's pretty much about it. But here we have it, guys. This is my pineapple chicken. Now, if you do have pineapple in a can or even fresh pineapple, feel free to put a few chunks of pineapple in here. It's even more delicious. Help me, guys. Like, watch the video all the way to the end. Help me share, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you guys are liking it. But until next time, peace.